something new. Try something new. Try something new. Try something new. Look at that.
See, Daisy? What you see? This camping video is going to be a little bit different than our usual because we're camping on our friend's private piece of property. So it was really nice of them to let us come out here and check this out and camp out here. But just know that if you do something like this, you're going to have to do a little extra planning. There was no bathrooms back there. You don't have park staff that's going around killing any pests that might be a problem. So we had to make sure we had plenty of bug spray. There was definitely a lot of chiggers to deal with the tall grass that was out there. But overall, it was a really fun experience, allowed us to grow our experiences a little bit more. So I definitely recommend it. If you've got some private property that you have access to, you should check this out, and maybe this will be something that can work for you. The owner of this property, his name is Matt, he built this cabin from the ground up himself. It's really awesome. Not completely finished. He's still got some drywall to put up in the inside. I'll show you a few pictures from in there. But our first night we were running really late getting out there, and so he actually allowed us to stay in the cabin, which is very nice of him. So we had some electricity, some lights, a little bit of running water, and a flushing toilet the first night. But then the second night we headed out and set up a tent in the back of the property by the pond, which is where we really wanted to be.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Daisy. That's quite the torch. Wow.
sees this, I give him credit. So I got an idea for him.
All right. That's awesome.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's what we need.
Exactly.
Guys.
That's why you're not doing it anymore.
Uh-oh.
And look at that poor dead dog on the other side of the fire.
Oh, wow.
Daisy. Daisy. All right, the girls said they wanted to do something different with the bunks tonight. So, let's try this out. Daddy in the front, Mama in the middle, girls in the back. Daisy by the door.
I want y'all to count how many cows we got.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No, Daisy, look.
Don't run it. Don't startle them.
I think Daisy's gonna start.
Okay. Hey everybody, the goal is to get them to keep going up so that Matt can go close that gate. So if we scare them back through the gate, then we don't.
Look like 40, like they said.
I'll do 6. If we have 26
4, 5,
later,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Daisy.
Yeah, I can't keep count now.
Leader.
Oh, perfect.
And all the babies are here.
Okay, get over here.
Daisy.
Daisy,
Daisy. Daisy. Your name's making.
Daisy, stay.
Wanna go? Oh, I was counting.
Good morning.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, throwing tumbleweeds into the fire. Awesome.
I thought it was pretty cool watching you on that boat.
On the boat?
Yeah.
Over there?
You did good.
Driving and pedaling?
Yep.
When I first got in, I was in the back. And then I was going to be the next one to pedal. So when I got on the pedal part, I just started pedaling and pedaling. And then I got in the back again. And then I went in the front again to steer. That's the middle. It's not really a seat, but one person gets to sit there. So I sat there and I was doing it until one of the girls picks up the little shelter thing to hide your head from the rain. There, she drops it, says, "There's a scorpion on it!" Everyone stops the boat, looks back. The dad takes his pocket knife, cuts the scorpion's stinger off, but it was still alive. So everyone was scared, but not as scared because the scorpion can't sting you anymore. So now we went over there to the dock thingy, and then while we were over there, he put me onto the docks, and then I walked back to land, and
Okay.
there they go, way over there, screaming. Let's go solo, Jacket.
Before we went camping out here, I wanted to make sure that we had a good spot on the grass for camping, so I took my lawnmower out here. And while I was out here, I cut a trail down to this gate. And I had such a good time doing it, I thought, you know, it would be a fun activity. My kids love to make things, build things. Even in their video games, they like to make things. So what we did was we left the lawnmower out there, and then on Saturday night, we took a walk. Saturday evening, I guess. We took a walk through the field, and I had the kids tell me which way to go. So we were going left, going right. Like I'd go right up to a tree and like, all right, which way, Kaylin? She'd say, go left. Okay. And so we just made this long, winding trail through the prairie. And then Matt showed me where he had a pre-existing trail through the trees, and so then we cut through there. And it was neat too because this was Kaylin's first time ever using a lawnmower, so it was a good experience for her as well. Then what we did was the next day after we got everything packed up, I said, hey girls, come on, let's go back and we will take the camera and we'll film the trail that we did. We'll do another hike on the trail that you made. And this was such a memorable experience. They're going to remember this forever. In fact, they still talk about it. And in fact, as we talk about growing our YouTube channel and the things that we want to do, they are like, Texas Family Camping should have their own campsite, and then we can make the trails and we can build the trails. And it allowed for their imaginations to grow. So it was a really neat way to use this time out on some private property. Nothing's going on much out on this property, so being able to take a lawnmower out there and just cut a trail benefits the property. So it was a good time. I'm glad we came up with that idea. So if you watch this here for a moment, you're gonna see where all of a sudden someone's on the trail looking at us. It's kind of hard to see, especially on the little screen as I'm making this video, but it was pretty funny. Added a little bit of adventure to all of this. There it is. I shall leave y'all to the rest of this video.
Like a stick almost as big as mine.
Did y'all seriously just miss that?
Miss what?
You're looking down. There was a cow staring straight at us, and he just turned around and ran. He got scared. He was right on our path.
No.
Come on, keep going.
Okay.
Eyes up, because you don't want to all of a sudden run into a cow. I don't.
Like in there, in trees, that's when I started mowing there. Cow! Cow! Right there! Right there! Run away! The trees. It was literally right there too, and I was like, ah!
Just one of them?
One.
And he went further into the trees?
Yeah, he went further. It's like the cows have to move. Daddy, is the trail done? I'm scared of bugs out here. I just...
Look, look. Think we pushed him all the way down there? No, that's beyond the road. That's down past where we're going to turn. when you have an animal like that, something special. Watch out for more cow pies. Okay, so over there's a cow somewhere, and we're gonna go back this way. Time to finish up, packing up, and get out of here.
Don't walk over there. That's the ant though I was talking about.
Keep moving.
There has to be so crazy bugs.
Where's Kira?
Behind you.
There she is. Did you have fun? Good. He's playing hide and go seek with us. Now he's taunting us. Why aren't you coming to find me?